All is set for the commencement of drilling of the Mukuyu oil well 2 in Mbile district, Mashonaland Central Province by Invictus Energy as the exploration process enters into a critical stage aimed at achieving commercial discovery of oil and gas.
The Invictus Energy Management this Wednesday took various media houses on a tour of the rig at the Mukuyu well 2, which is set to commence shortly as the company seeks to achieve a commercial discovery to finalize their exploration after exploring the Mukuyu-1 well last year. Invictus Energy Executive Director Mr. Paul Chimboja said they are set to commit another $20 million at this stage of the exploration process, which is set to begin in the next few days.
We are extremely confident all the parameters that one would like to see for an oil and gas deposit are available here. Namely, you need the source rock. Do you have the right type of rocks that can give you oil and gas? Yes, we've got. Are the rocks porous enough for the oil and gas to migrate? Yes, we've got. Do you have the right trap structures where over the millions of years those hydrocarbons will be trapped? Yes, we've got the trap structures.
Invictus Energy Country Director Mr. Barry Mukuyu said additional samples have reaffirmed light oil, gas condensate and helium on the Mukuyu-1 well, setting timelines for exploration targets at well 2.
We learned some lessons from the first time. I wouldn't say we made mistakes, but you do things what you think are right the first time, and then some challenges come up. So we've modified a few of our operational issues this time. We've changed some of our mud weights, we've changed some of our logging tools, we've changed a little bit of technical aspects. Essentially the same, roughly the same depth. We're drilling to about 4,000 meters, but we feel that we've made some small and significant changes to give us the success that we want on this well.
Local traditional leadership led by Chief Water is upbeat about the prospects of finally benefiting from the project once the Mukuyu oil well 2 results test positive.
Vapatanga projects over 300 something people are employed muno. Company vakuchanza ma local company, security companies through the local. Toendazve vane plowback yavakaita yavari kuita nanhasi yekuti ma clinics vari kuisa ma solarized bores vachidrilla. Saka tinoti isusu vari kushandisa local content. Saka tinotenda nazvo everybody is happy madzimambo necommunity yedu.
In the 1990s, Mobile, a France-headquartered company, carried out initial seismic surveys but decided not to follow it up. Owen Mandova